Hey, what's up, YouTube? Came Paintball here, and I've got another Pbnation unboxing for you today. So, on my last video, I had the Chaos pump, and this is going to be a something for that. So, let's open the box up. Oh my god. Alright, so we got a 3000 Ninja tank. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. Let's see here. Let's see if I can find something that I could measure it with. Alright, here, I'll just take a Sharpie, normal Sharpie, and it's about one. It's about 1.5 or 1.25 without the reg. With it, it's about 1.75. So that concludes my unboxing. Comment, rate, subscribe. See you later.